I know today's Zara haul is so long overdue, but I have picked up some stunning pieces for your spring wardrobe. I will have all of them linked in the description box down below. I'll include all the sizes that I picked everything up in. And if you're new, my name is Lauren. Welcome. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on for more spring videos like this, and let's just jump straight into it. This corset is easily one of my favorite pieces that I've picked up from Zara in quite some time, and it is the perfect piece to instantly elevate your spring wardrobe. I'm all about wearing a dressier top with a pair of casual bottoms. I find an outfit like that is really easy to put together, and it's so versatile across a number of different occasions. So this one has a really stunning vintage floral print pattern running through it. I love the blue. Blue is my absolute favorite color. It has that stunning sweetheart neckline, so it's super flattering across the bust area, whether you're fuller busted or petite busted like I am. It also has a really nice stitching detail, which creates that boning effect. And then at the back, it has that hook eye detail. That's how it fastens up. I grabbed mine in a size extra small. I would say it fits true to size. It's almost in a denim style material, so it's not too dressy, but you could easily style it with a pair of white denim jeans. That's probably how I intend on wearing it. I think it would also look really pretty with black or a pair of regular denim. You could wear it with shorts or with a skirt. Definitely really cute on a date night or a vacation. I think you're gonna be able to wear this so much throughout the spring and summer season. Similar in pattern is this gorgeous vintage floral print cutout style dress. And I'm very, very impressed with this piece. It has some really stunning design details. And I think you're gonna be able to wear this for a lot of different occasions throughout the spring and summer season. So it's nice to have that versatility. It has that puff sleeve detail at the top here. It's elasticated, so it's super comfortable on the body. And I also wanted to point out that it's made predominantly out of cotton, so it's nice to have those natural fibers on your body during the spring and summer season, especially when the temperatures start to rise. It has that elasticated detail at the front as well, which is really flattering across the chest area. You're getting that cutout detail on the side for a little bit of breathability. And then it has pockets, which I know we all love. It's great to have pockets in a dress. And then at the back, it has a zip closure. So you just step right on in. You don't need to worry about pulling it over top of your head, messing up your hair and makeup. Before I forget, I need to share with you the top that I'm wearing today. I picked it up from Zara a couple of weeks ago. I spotted it on the website and I thought it'd be perfect for a vacation that I had coming up to California. So I've already had the opportunity to wear it and I do absolutely love it. I think there are a few different styling options for this piece. Now on the website, I saw it thrown over top of a bralette and paired with a pair of high-waisted shorts. I've decided to wear it as a top. I know it's very see-through, and I'm not wearing anything underneath it other than nipple covers, but I don't think it's as see-through as you think. I think it's fun, flirty, kind of sexy. I like the open detail at the front and the tie. It's really easy to get on and off. The chenille material is so soft and really comfortable on the body, and I think it's just a fun piece that you could wear for brunch, date night. I've styled it with a pair of high-waisted trousers. These I picked up from Zara a couple of months back, so if they're still on Zara's website, I will link them down below, but you could easily wear this as a cover-up or a top, just a few different options for you. For the longest time, I was not a fan of crop tops. I don't know what it was, and right now I'm having a minute with them. I've ordered quite a few, and I'm really enjoying wearing them and having a lot of fun styling them. So this one I also wore on my trip to California. It was perfect. It wasn't that hot there, so I was really happy to have the long sleeves. And I don't know about you, but our spring season can be a little bit chilly here, so I will be wearing long sleeves for quite some time. But I do want to have a couple of cute tops to wear with jeans and trousers and just get a little bit more dressed up. This one's so easy to style because you could wear with a pair of high-waisted leggings, with a skirt, with jeans, lots of different styling options. It's fairly casual, but it's all about how you make it look and kind of tailor it to your own style and accessorize it. The material is very thick, really soft and comfortable on the body, and so I'll have this one linked down below for you in case you're interested in giving it a try. This is another really gorgeous corset style top from Zara, and it's a great alternative to the other one if you don't really like wearing a strapless top, because this one does have adjustable straps. The colors in the floral print pattern are so gorgeous. I'll probably style it, I think, with white denim, but it would also look really pretty with blue denim as well. look gorgeous on vacation, even with like a white skirt. That would look so pretty. It also has that hook eye detail at the front here, so it fastens up at the front. Looks so pretty around the bust area, and then it's elasticated through the back, so it does have some nice stretch to it, and then you're getting the nice little adjustable straps. It's really fun, playful, flirty, and just a cute piece to have in your wardrobe for spring and summer, and definitely to bring with you on holiday. Sticking with our floral print theme, because it is spring after all, I also picked up this next dress, and I'm not 100% sure if it is me. It's very loud, but it's also really gorgeous, and green is one of my favorite colors, and it is one of the most on-trend colors that we are seeing for this season. Again, I also think you could wear this for so many different occasions, and this piece also does have some really stunning design details, and it's also made out of cotton, so it's gonna feel good, and it's also gonna wash really well, which is always a bonus. So at the front here, it's elasticated, and it has this tie detail. It's just for show, but it is really flattering across the bust to, you know, accommodate the girls, and then it has some nice stitching details across the front. Now, all the fun is at the back of the dress. So it has adjustable straps, which is always really nice. That elasticated detail, but as you can see, it's very cut out here. So you're not going to be able to wear a bra with it. I would recommend boob tape or nipple covers like I have on, and then it's elasticated through the bottom part of the skirt here, or rather kind of like the top part. It's really nicely finished off, and then it does have lining throughout it as well, which is really nice. Oh, and I forgot the best part, it has pockets. So really cute piece, would look gorgeous at a wedding, to bring with you on a vacation. I think for a summer barbecue, lots of different styling options, and I think you could wear it casually with a pair of sneakers or dress it up with a pair of heels. Another really big trend that we're seeing for the spring and summer season is color, and I'm talking bright, loud colors. I think people, quite frankly, have just had it with COVID and the pandemic, and they're wanting to wear pieces that spark joy, put a smile on their face, that make a statement. And I know this one certainly does that for me, because blue is my absolute favorite color, and it's so incredibly flattering on the body. I shared this in an Instagram reel, and I'll be honest, I feel like $1,000,000 in this dress. It's a really flattering silhouette. It just hugs you in all of the right places. It's very stretchy, so it's easy to throw on. I actually pulled it up, which you probably shouldn't do. It doesn't have a zip closure, so it either needs to go over top of the head or pull it up over top of those hips. Really flattering through the bust area, especially because I don't really have a lot going on. So whether you're fuller busted or petite busted, as I mentioned, I think that this piece will look absolutely gorgeous on you, and you could wear a strapless bra with it, always a bonus. Now, it has adjustable straps at the back, and it is a midi length style dress, and it has that slit detail at the back, so that adds for, you know, movement, easy to walk in. I know I've been sharing with you a lot of color in today's video, which is kind of unlike me, since I'm definitely a neutral loving kind of girl. Color's growing on me, but I still love my neutrals, so I picked this one up for my neutral lovers out there. This top has some really beautiful design details on it as well. It's in an eyelet kind of fabric, which is really pretty. That's how you're seeing that nice kind of like cutout detail. Really pretty puff sleeves. It's very comfortable on. I was very pleasantly surprised when I popped it on my body for the try-on clip. So it feels nice on the body. And then at the front, it has a really pretty design detail, so super flattering through the bust. It's slightly cropped, but not as cropped as some of the other pieces that I've shared with you today. It would look really cute with a pair of high-waisted jeans or a pair of shorts or a skirt. This is how it looks across the back. And yeah, it's just a pretty piece to have in your wardrobe for spring and summer. It would look really gorgeous, maybe worn to brunch, or if you're just wanting to get a little bit dressed up with a pair of casual bottoms. So I spotted this on the Zara website recently, ordered it, and I'm so glad I did. I think it's the perfect way to kind of like elevate your sunglasses. That doesn't really make sense, but you kind of know what I mean. And it's also practical and versatile because now your hand's free. So I think it's a sunglasses chain. I don't know exactly what it's called. If you know, leave me a comment down below, but I like that it makes it hands-free. I don't need to worry about popping my sunglasses into a pouch and then into my bag. I can just kind of have them hanging off of me, which is really nice. You could also pop them on top of your head with the little chain hanging down, or you can pop them on top of your face. I think that's super versatile. These sunglasses are from Amazon. I'll link them down below in case you're interested. I really love them because they're quite dark. You can't see your eyes through them, and I really like the shape. They offer good coverage. Now, the other thing I wanted to point out about this little sunglasses chain, in case you're interested, is it does have little clips on the side for your face mask. Yes, I know they're starting to lift mandates, but who knows when we're going to fully be rid of them. So for now, I like to have that versatility. These sandals I also wore on my recent holiday, and I love them. I knew I was going to because I do have them in the brown leather, and this is a style that Zara keeps bringing back year after year. I think it's so flattering on the foot. They're comfortable, they're easy to style. So when I spotted them in the faux shearling, I knew I had to grab them. They're super cozy. They're basically like wearing slippers, but outside. And how I wore them on holiday was with this top, I think, and a pair of white high-waisted jeans from Zara as well. And I thought it was like kind of chic, perfect for kind of February as we move into the spring season. These are great this time of year because it's not super warm out yet, but you're kind of itching to be in kind of spring mode. So these are perfect. They fit true to size. They have them in other colors, but I love the neutral color. And yeah, they're super cozy, but really cute. I did say I was having a crop top moment, and well, this one, I think it's my absolute favorite. It is so sexy on the body, let me tell you, and I feel so good whenever I put it on, and I've been having fun styling it and wearing it. It's actually really warm because the material is quite thick. It is very stretchy and form-fitted through the sleeves. Now it's open at the front, just to let you know, you're gonna need nipple covers on with this one. You're probably surprised, my styles, it's changed. It's gotten a lot edgier and sassier, which matches my personality so well because I've got so sarcastic over the pandemic. But I love this piece, and I think it's so important to have pieces in your wardrobe that make you feel good. Not only look good, but make you feel good. So I'm hoping to be able to wear this maybe on a date night or something like that towards the end of March or into April. It's definitely a piece that I recommend you pick up because it's gonna make you feel really good. I love Zara Footwear, and I could not resist picking up these heels. I think they're so gorgeous. Now, I know they're not as spring-esque as some of the other pieces that I've shared with you, but I definitely think they're a heel that you can have in your wardrobe all year round. They are a little bit trendy in the way that they do have that squared off toe, but I think it's very flattering on the foot. It does have a really pretty chain detail across the front strap here. Kind of edgy, kind of chic, kind of cool. And then that's carried across the strap that goes across the ankle. They're not too high in heel height, which I personally really appreciate because they are in a stiletto, and I typically go for a little bit more of a block heel because I can be a bit clumsy. But these are really fun. They actually match my Chanel bag really well. And so I definitely am looking forward to styling them throughout spring, summer, fall, winter. They're definitely going to be one of my kind of staple all year round heels because I do think they're quite timeless and classic, and they just look really gorgeous on. I'm sure you've noticed that platforms are everywhere at the minute. So many different brands and retailers are coming out with them. So I thought I'd experiment a little bit with the trend, and I grabbed a pair that I thought would meet my personal style off of Zara's website. I love the color of these. I think they're gonna be really easy to style with my current wardrobe, and that's kind of a nice way to take part in the trend, is find something that works for what you already have. That way you'll find yourself reaching for it and come up with creative ways to style a trend like this. So I'm not gonna do these justice because they do actually climb up the leg a little bit, like they lace up around and wrap around your ankle. They do stay up. I wasn't sure if they'd fall down, but for the most part, they do seem fairly secure, which I like. Now, platforms obviously give you a really good height boost, and they do have a nice kind of chunky heel, so you don't need to worry about falling over or rolling your ankle in these. And I just thought they're really gorgeous. They're fairly affordable, a nice way to experiment with the platform trend. I have lots of spring, summer, and vacation content coming your way, so if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram at Lauren Dumonceau. So I have my handle up on the screen. I share lots of fun reels, and I'll be sharing a little bit more content over there as well. So I'd absolutely love to have you. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you're doing well and taking care, and I cannot wait to see you back here in the next one. Bye.